when you enter Google. You will likely notice that when you click on the search bar or go directly to google.com to search, a history of everything you are constantly searching for appears right away. So in this case, we are going to learn how to disable this and even how to make it apply to all the devices you have. This time we will do it from a mobile phone. But in the future, when you apply this, it will directly apply to your computer, an Android phone, or an iPhone, and to all the devices where you are logged in with your Google account. So let's start by seeing how this process is done. It sounds a bit funny, but to carry out this process, we will need to search within Google My Activity. Basically, you will search like this and make sure that at the top right, your profile picture shows the account you are using on all your devices so that this applies everywhere. Once we search for this, we will find the option at myactivity.google.com and we will go directly to this page. Once we enter here, these options will appear. So we will go to the first option that says Web and App Activity. We will tap there and it will load this option. Here, all we need to do is scroll down and then an option will appear that says Web and App Activity saves your activity on Google sites and apps, including associated information like location, so we can offer you faster searches, better recommendations, and more personalized experiences in maps. Search is the option we are looking to deactivate along with other Google services, and as you can see here, we have it enabled. So this time we need to know and make sure that we really want to disable this option, because as you can see, it will disable quite a bit of the personalization that Google provides us, including things like ads and some other features it offers. Google will stop personalizing for us, and we will see random things instead. In this case, you can simply click on the option that says deactivate and turn it off directly in one step. If you also want to delete it so that it stops appearing, just like it did for me at the beginning of the video, you need to click on deactivate and delete activity, which will erase all your history and it will no longer show up. It's also important to note that if you don't want to deactivate this feature but want to remove certain things, like Chrome history and activity on web pages, you don't have to deactivate it completely. Instead, just turn off the first option that says include Chrome history and activity from sites, apps, and devices that use Google services. By doing this, it will stop including all that history that you sometimes search for through your browser. Now, it's also important to consider that we might want to keep it exactly the same, but have it delete every so often. So what you can do is click on the option that says automatic deletion. In this case, I have it turned off, and what you can do is have all this information deleted every certain period of time. Then you can set it to auto-delete activity after a set time, and you can choose 3 months, 18 months, 36 months, or you can simply leave it disabled. And what this will do is you won't have to worry over all the information your history is showing. Every 3 months, this will reset all your history, everything you have. There will surely be people who have entered this video to simply delete that history and do not want to deactivate this option but just want to clean it. To do this, we will go back to Google. We have google.com, and this time we will click on our profile picture at the top right. There, search history will automatically appear, so we can click there or directly delete the last 15 minutes. When we enter the search history, we will see all the history we have had. Here, we can simply click the delete button, and we can delete today's data for a defined period, all activity in general, or set up automatic deletion again. In your case, if you want, you can choose a defined period, and what you will do is have it deleted, for example, weekly. You can choose from Monday, July 1st to Sunday, July 7th. Then you accept, and before July 7th this time, we click next and it will save it there, and it shows what will be deleted. In this case, the searches, the image searches, and the video searches. Then we will click next and I will delete it, and it will stop appearing when we are searching.